Hi, I'm Max from Max Out Creative. I am not a believer that AI is all it's cracked up to be for small businesses, at least right now. I just don't think it's fully baked. Don't get me wrong, it can do some things to help, like in the back office, stuff like that. But when you're having AI talk to your customers, there's proof out there that it's not, they can tell it's a bot and they don't like it. They'd rather talk to a human being. So there is proof. I can provide that. I talked about it in another video, by the way, and gave some statistics there. But today I wanted to talk about LinkedIn, this LinkedIn article, which I thought was just a couple hours ago, just hit my inbox. But companies contemplating a foray into generative AI should let someone else make the tools. That's the takeaway from a recent MIT study. That MIT study is pretty good, by the way, which found that 95% of internal AI pilot programs fail to boost revenue or productivity. It's not fully baked, man. It's just not. And, they're talking about how in this article down here below, for instance, ChatGPT works brilliantly for individuals because it's flexible, but at scale, it stalls. It doesn't adapt to workflows or learn from messy realities of enterprise operations. If you've worked for corporate America before, you know what that's like. There's a lot of nuances. There's some people that do their job and many who don't. There's some people who fill out the CRM and know how to use it and many who don't, so on and so forth. So AI at this point, right now, is based on inputs and what's on the internet. I know they mentioned generative AI, and that is different. It's supposed to be able to think from itself, but it still needs something to stand on. I know I'm not that bright, but it still needs something. It needs facts. So whatever you put in it to build the generative part, the smart part of it, it has to be based on facts. Otherwise, it all turns to vinegar. So I just think this is crazy. And they talk about success rates don't lie. 67% when you buy from a specialized vendor and build partnerships. 67%, which means over 30% of the time it's a complete waste of time and money. A complete waste of time and money. And then there's only a 33% success rate when you try to build it yourself. This is not just small business. This is, like they mentioned, enterprise here. And the kicker, adoption doesn't come from shiny AI labs at HQ. It comes from the line managers on the ground, choosing tools that can integrate deeply and evolve with business. So it's just not ready yet. It's not fully baked. And the people that are ordering the AI at the top of organizations, they don't fully understand what the capabilities are. They're just in love with AI in general. It just sounds so sexy. I can eliminate people on the balance sheet, on the P&L, because I'm going to be able to have AI just wave its magic wand and take care of everything. I'm telling you, we're not there yet. We're not there yet. I know everything's going to change the quicker these large language models like Grok and ChatGPT, Perplexity, there's quite a few of them. But the better they get, I know things will change. I'm just telling you right now, if you have a small business, don't rush into AI. Don't rush into AI. We offer a chat feature on a website. It's not AI. It's a real human being chatting on the other side 24/7, okay? And we ask questions, obviously, about your business and get a script. But that's going to help you a lot more. That will help you a lot more than an AI bot that you get. I know High Level has one right now. They were offering a special, and you could build your own AI bot. Personally, when I call those, my guard's up instantly. I did a video about Ford Finance. I have a truck lease, and not for much longer, actually. It's over with, but they have a AI bot. I just recorded it and did a video, so you can look for that. It's Ford, by the way, multi-billion-dollar company. They don't have it figured out. I have a Discover card. They don't have it figured out either. So it's not responding to basic things that you're saying. Instead, it'll say things like check balance. It's not listening to you. It's just listening for something that's in a list that was programmed. Hopefully that makes sense. All I'm saying here is don't rush into it as a small business. Don't rush into it. You're going to waste time and money. It's going to reach the tipping point. We all know that, but it's not here yet. It's not here yet. I don't think for small business, it'll be here in the next 5 years, fully integrated. That's a bold prediction, but I just don't. It might be able to do your books. It might be able to do some back office type things that a human's doing right now, but that's still going to be based on the proper inputs. So anyway, thanks for watching. If this made you think about anything in a different way, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.